Hello students, today we will continue our same exercise, that exercise 14.2. As you know that in this exercise we are doing the questions which are based on second central tendency, that is mode. And what is mode? Mode is an observation which occur most of the time in a data. That means a number which have the highest frequency, which is called the mode. But this is just for the ungrouped data. For a group data, to find a mode, we have a definite formula, and the formula is L plus in a bracket F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2, and in outside we have H. This is the formula to find a mode for a grouped data. So let's start our exercise. In the question, you are given a data of a number of batsmen. This is the run scored by a batsman in a different matches. That means 4 number of batsmen have their run score with between 3000 to 4000. 18 number of batsmen have their run score between 4000 to 5000. So this is the data. You have to find out the mode of this data. We will start our question from the term F1. This is our main term of mode because all the terms are totally based on F1, and F1 is a number which have the highest frequency in this column. That means a number which is highest in this column and which is 18. So 18 will be F1. F0 will be the term of upper side of F1, and F2 is the term which is lower side of the F2. This is our main term. We will find out value of L also from this F1. So first of all, write down value of F1 is 18, F0 is 4, F2 is 9. Our model class will be interval of F1, which is 4000 to 5000. This is our model class. We will find out value of L from this model class. That means lower limit of this model class is 4000. This is value of L. And the remaining term is H. H is the difference of class intervals, which is 1000. So H is 1000. Now put all this value in the formula. Now let's start. First of all, L, which is 4000, F1, which is 18, minus F0, which is 4, divide by 2F1 18 minus F0 4 minus F2, which is 9, and multiply by H, which is 1000. First of all, calculate the term in the bracket. After that, we will solve 4000 and 1000. So first of all, solve these terms. 18 minus 4, that is 14. In the denominator we have 2 multiply 18, that is 36. Minus plus, here we have 13 and multiply by 1000. 4000 plus 14 multiply by 1000, that is 14,000, and divide by 36 minus 13, which is 23. Now solve 14,000 divided by 23, then we get in the decimal form 608.7. So our final answer will be 4608.7. This is mode of this question. So now let's do one more question. Next is class interval is start from 0. You are given number of cars. This is number of cars. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 50 to 60, and this is up to 80. Next column is given of frequency. So frequency is 7, 14, 13. Next is 12, 20, 11. Next is 15 and 8. This is given number of cars and this is the frequency. We have to find out mode of this group data, and we have the same formula. To find a mean we have 3 formula, but to find a mode we have just one formula, which is L plus in bracket F1 minus F0 in the denominator 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. So first of all, find out the value of F1, because our complete question depend on the value of F1. So F1 is the highest number in the frequency. So in the frequency we have the highest number is 20. So we can say that F1 is 20, and F0, which is the upper term of the F1, so we can say that F0 is 12, and F2 is the succeeding term, lower term of the F1. F0 is the preceding term of F1. So F2 is 11. This is our main term. And class interval of F1 is 40 to 50. So we can say that model class is 40 to 50. We will find out value of L. L means lower limit from this model class, and lower limit of this model class is 40. So we can say that L is 40. Also H. H is the height of the class interval, and height of the class interval is 10. Now put all these value in the formula. Let's start. N is 40 plus in bracket F1, which is 20, minus F0, which is 12, divide by 2 F1 20 minus F0, which is 12, minus F2, which is 11, and multiply by H, which is 10. So first of all, we will calculate the terms in the bracket. 40 plus 20 minus 12, which is 8. In the denominator we have 40 minus 23 and multiply by 10. 40 plus 8 multiplied by 10, which is 80, and 40 minus 23, which will be 70. Next is divide 80 by 17, then we will get value in the decimal form, which will be equal to 4.7, and our final answer will be 44.7.